All right, at the beach house. Peyton just got a new car. Give you a rundown. All right, give us a rundown.
So 2015 Subaru WRX. It's got a, I don't know what the exhaust is. It's a full turbovac straight pipe. It's got an intake and a stage 3, or no.
Don't worry, got wheels for it too at home.
Stage 2 plus Mishimoto tune.
All right, give her a rev.
Just under 300.
Bitch got a bad little hoe and she love to suck dick. If you really want me, better publish that shit. Ayy, skirt on a bitch like Tokyo Drift, going like 120.
Apparently we're out racing. We hood dumped Fred's car if you can't tell. Alright, probably couldn't hear, but Brett hood dumped his car. Brett, give him a rep. Yeah, well, I don't have to say much, but we got ridge. Yeah.
Slow motion in a whip, and I keep me a blade like a samurai bitch. Got a bad little hoe and she love to suck dick. If you really want me, better publish that shit. Ayy, drifting like it's Tokyo. Yeah, I'm from Detroit, but I ain't live inside no motorhome. I just gave the bitch a look and now she wanna go. We can take it faster, we can take it slow. White bitch doing hella blow, snow up in her nose. But all I really know is that I've been a kid, and that's for sure. You
1, 2, 3. So full boost, my car is supposed to be 23 PSI. Basically, we just got walked by a stock F80 and Trey's car is slow as shit. But,
Pretty close.
you know, it's 40 degrees out. We're in this pile of shit. It's rust bucket.
I was just saying I'm on low
Restate.
boost and I need to fix it, and I was just...
Yep. What the fuck is he doing?
You can find me posted, bro. I'm up at the corner store. Life been on a high, I ain't seen a low. Motherfucker, what you know? I'm too high at the top to ever come down. They want me to save them, but I'd rather watch them drown. That's a fact, baby, you should know I get around. So don't you look at me with a frown. After you get passed around for a couple rounds, I'm a dog from the pound, so you know how I get down. Hey, you know how I get down. Like, these hoes really only love the idea of you and your time. They would rather see you struggle with them than for you to leave and find your shine. They don't want to see you strive, they just want to see you stuck and intertwined with all these crazy games. They want to play with your mind, but at the end of the day, I think that I'ma be fine once I'm out in Tokyo, drift around in a GTR Skyline. So I can skirt on a bitch like Tokyo Drift, going like 120 slow motion in the whip, and I keep me a blade like a samurai bitch. Got a bad little hoe and she love wanna suck dick. If you really want me, better publish that shit. Hey.
Well, back in the Camry, but it was a good meet. Trainer Adams, who knows what they're doing? They're blocking us off here. Oh. Yup, that's it. There it goes, bud. Now we gotta go, cops are coming.
Baby, you should know I get around. So don't you look at me with no frown after you get